Good morning again. I promise this is the last video today. So what I wanted to show you, where's your test 2 prep materials are located, if you can't find them. So I'm on my student view now. This is the landing page. If you log into our Blackboard website, this is our announcement page. So if you go to lessons and modules, and then you will see online module 2, click on it. And then, so there is a module 2 practice folder, click on it. All right, so the opening page gives you the learning objectives. All right, so this is an important one. Lab manual lessons, practice problems, key, and the practice problems by itself. Make sure you look at that. I've prepared a document for test 2 prep questions key and with the test 2 prep questions. Make sure you look at that also. More importantly, so I have prepared 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 videos. Each of them entails the different things. So one of them is about rational functions, how to solve a rational function problem. That is going to guide you step by step. What are the important features and components and how you're going to get them together and how to draw a rational function in the end. The other one is a piecewise function application problem. Piecewise function by itself is an easy one, but how to model an application problem could be challenging. The other one is an inverse function with the domain restriction. We know how to find an inverse of a function, but what if there is a domain restriction either in the inverse or the original function? For instance, taking an inverse of y equals x squared could be different than taking an inverse y equals x plus 1. Because y equals x squared, it's not a one-to-one function. We need to bring domain restrictions there. Please watch this video. The other one is about important components of sketching a quadratic function. So we know how to transform, how to switch between transformation form and standard form of the quadratic function. But here is a little bit a different problem. We're trying to find the x-intercepts of the quadratic function if the function is given in transformation form or vertex form. Look at that. The last 2 videos, which I recorded this morning, is about solving a quadratic function application problem, but when you try to solve it by using your calculator. So your calculator will be a great helper, but I want something else to be seen. I want you to show me, to indicate some of your findings also. So read the directions here and watch the 2-part video. It is 2-part, part 1 and part 2. But again, I'm underlining it. You can use your calculators, find the x-intercepts of the quadratic function. But I really need to see A, B, C values. You're identifying them and you're plugging them into your calculator. How is that happening? So this module 2 practice folder will be your go-to resource as you're getting prepared. And it's not only this one. This is part of test 2. Hence, keep that in mind. This is like half of test 2. The other half, I have recorded many other videos. It's on the previous weeks. Please look at them. The review session will be held. It's again under online module 2, under week 7. If you go there, and then online review for test 2. So there is a link here. Do not click it now because the meeting will start tomorrow at 5 and it will last about an hour. Bring your questions or I will do my own review. That will be a completely online review. All you need is a webcam and an audio in your laptop or desktop. Okay, so get prepared well for test 2. That's all I wanted to say. It is a challenging test, but you can do it. If you're okay so far with this module, your test 2 should be okay. All right. Love you all. See you later.